Hi, I'm Reno, and if you're a listing agent selling fixer-upper homes like probate or trust properties that look like this, or this, or this one, did you know that a buyer can close as is and get a reno loan to fix up the house after the close of escrow? It doesn't matter what condition the property's in, we do one loan that includes money to buy and fix up the house. So, if the home is selling for $600,000 and it needs $100,000 to fix up a cracked slab, a leaky roof, or fix up a kitchen or bathroom that looks like it hasn't been touched since the 1960s, we do one loan for $700,000 minus a small down payment as low as 3.5% to 5% down and close as is and allow the buyers to fix up the house after the close of escrow and the seller is paid. You don't have to sell these homes for cash. Sell it to a family so they can create their dream home. For more information, go to readyforremodel.com. That's ready, the number 4, remodel.com.